In this video, I'll guide you through how to copy and paste on Google Docs. Copying and pasting might sound very simple, but doing it confidently and smoothly can save you a lot of time, especially when you're working on longer documents, school assignments, or professional reports. We'll walk through the basic steps slowly, and I'll point out a few helpful tips so you feel completely comfortable using them. Let's start inside a Google Docs document that you already have open in your browser. You can use any document you like, a new blank one, a homework file, or something you're editing for work. The first thing you need to do is select the text you want to copy. Selecting text tells Google Docs, this is the part I care about. Move your mouse to the beginning of the text you want, click and hold the left mouse button, then drag across the words, sentences, or paragraphs you want to copy. As you drag, you'll see the text become highlighted. When you reach the end of the section, you need release the mouse button. Everything that's highlighted is now selected. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also click once at the start of your text, then hold down the Shift key and tap the arrow keys to extend the selection. This is handy when you want to be precise, or when you're working on a laptop trackpad and dragging with the mouse feels awkward. You can also quickly select a single word by double-clicking on it, or a whole paragraph by triple-clicking, depending on your browser and settings. Once your text is selected, you're ready to copy it. On a Windows or Chrome OS computer, hold down the Control key, and while holding it, press the C key. That's Control plus C. On a Mac, it's Command plus C instead, but the idea is exactly the same. After you press the keys, the highlighted text will stay right where it is. It doesn't move or change because copying only makes a duplicate and stores it in your clipboard in the background. It's worth noting that you won't see a big pop-up confirmation when you copy. Google Docs assumes you know the copy worked as long as the text is still selected and nothing looks wrong. If you're unsure, you can always press the copy shortcut a second time. It won't hurt your document. Now that the text is copied, you can paste it wherever you like. Click your cursor in the spot where you want the text to appear. This can be in the same document, maybe a few pages down, or in a completely different Google Docs file in another browser tab. When your cursor is blinking in the right place, press Control plus V. Again, on a Mac, that's Command plus V. As soon as you do this, the copied text will appear at the cursor position. If you accidentally paste in the wrong place, do not worry. You can undo the paste by pressing Control plus Z or Command plus Z on a Mac, and then click in the correct location and paste again. That's all there is to it. Select the text you want, press Control plus C to copy, and press Control plus V to paste. With a little practice, these shortcuts become second nature, and you'll be able to move text around your Google Docs quickly and efficiently.